Hello, I am Professor Vipul Kalamkar, Head Department of Statistics. I am very happy to introduce my department. Department of Statistics was established in 1949 along with the establishment of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. We are having a very nice facilities for laboratory, library, etc. for students. Our curriculum is a state-of-the-art curriculum, and we have taken care of almost all industry requirements that a statistics career requires. In fact, I am happy to say that our curriculum is one of the most modern curriculums in statistics across the Western India as well as across India. Teaching environment of the department is excellent. I mean, teachers are very friendly with the students. Students do not feel hesitated while talking to teachers for either their personal issues as well as their academic issues, and we give them a very friendly environment so that student can have a lot of confidence while dealing with the students. We have a very rich history of research, and the research areas of department mainly includes statistical inference, machine learning, theory of probability, operations research, data science, and so on and so forth. The career perspective, if I talk about, then the students of statistics department are getting placements very easily. I would say that within 3 months of their completion of their masters, almost all students get placed. In fact, the placements that we have seen in last couple of years have been one of the best in the faculty. The package that our students receive are in the range of 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum. The companies which employ our students are mostly market research company, pharmaceutical companies, and manufacturing industry when it comes to quality control or quality assurance using Six Sigma approaches. So these are mostly our employers. However, statistics has an application in almost every domain, be it a business domain, be it a research domain. So government is another sector where students get good employment. Of course, there are competitive examinations such as Indian Statistical Services, through which the students can get entered into government employment. And in fact, ours is one of the very few disciplines where government have a separate ministry of its own. The Ministry of Statistics, that is the department of, or that's the Ministry of Government, which is doing lot of work in data collection and data compilation and report preparation for the entire country, which is utilized by the state and central governments for planning of the developmental activities in the country. So you say that whether it is the government sector or it's the private sector or academics, of course, is there when it comes to employment opportunities. So employment opportunities are ample in the department. Ample for the statistics graduates. Okay, it's very sorry state of affairs that at the time of admitting in the first year of BSc, students are generally unaware of the career prospects in statistics, because statistics is not taught as a separate subject to the science students when they are in 11th and 12th. It's only 1 or 2 chapters in mathematics, and that is how students are largely unaware of the career opportunities. We are trying our best to increase this awareness among the students, and I'm sure that once students come into this discipline, they will never regret. Okay, they will feel that they have come to a right place. So that is it I would like to say about department. The student life has been very excellent. As I told you, the teachers also provide a very friendly environment. We encourage students to utilize our library in extended hours. Even laboratories, whenever they are free, we make it available to the students for doing their practice or exploring anything that they would like to explore. So that way we provide all the sort of facilities to the students, whether in terms of guidance, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of library facilities, and so on. Students are also encouraged to participate in co-curricular activities along with their studies. In fact, we have a separate body which is called Staff Students Committee, where the representatives of all the classes will be there, and they chalk out the entire program for the whole academic year, where they organize the sports activities, they organize the debates, they organize the technical events, they also organize the tours. So the life is made full of fun through all these kind of activities, and every student will have a platform to showcase their talent, be it sports, be it some kind of art, be it some kind of music. Whatever skills or whatever talent students have, we provide them opportunity to showcase their talent and encourage them, in fact, to participate in all those kind of activities. We also appreciate them by providing a necessary certification. So that is what I like to say about the career options in department and teaching and learning environment of the department, as well as the research environment of the department. You are welcome to join Department of Statistics. Thank you.